Hello traders and tradettes, it's 4i Biped coming at you with a video about a VWAP Close indicator. There are several of them out there that's basically the same as this. The one I'm about to show you is one that I wrote from scratch for a trading group called Bitcoin Heroes, which I heavily recommend. I'm not going to teach you any strategies here, just how to properly use and interpret what you see on the indicator. I've noticed a lot of people marking levels incorrectly, so I want to help you keep from doing that. So the first thing we're going to do is enable the indicator. Once again, there's others out there. If you're in Bitcoin Heroes, you're free to use that one. If you're using another one, what I'm about to tell you is still valid. And what this indicator does is marks the close of the previous day or weekly, monthly, year. It doesn't actually do yearly, but it does daily, weekly, monthly. And I'll go ahead and put the VWAPs on here. Yellow is weekly, blue is daily. And often where I see people make the mistake is they'll say, okay, here's the weekly one. So I'm going to mark the weekly one here. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to mark this daily and so forth. Here's a monthly up here. I'm going to mark this monthly. And that, if you're looking at this as a naked level, then this would be incorrect a lot of the times. The actual close of the VWAP happens on a new day. And I'll put this up here just so we can easily see the days. And this is referencing a cryptocurrency exchange, which is 24 hours. So as soon as midnight hits UTC time, it becomes a new day, and for a daily, the VWAP will reset. If it's weekly, then once a week, the VWAP will reset. And where it resets, see here, we have a new day, we're rolling into Monday, and you see both the weekly and the daily reset. And this is where you would mark your indicator if you're dealing with naked levels. If it's not a naked level and you have a different strategy, then what I'm saying may not be relevant to you. But if we were to mark this weekly, we would mark it here, and as we see, the weekly has been touched twice. Once again, a lot of people will mark it on the end. It's kind of a dummy indicator. It will draw regardless, will draw that entire week across. Regardless, it will draw that entire day across. It doesn't care what has happened. It will just continue to draw it. So when you mark these, if you are marking them for it as a naked level, then you want to mark them at the actual close and not at the end, or you will have situations like this where it has been crossed multiple times. I hope that has been informative. If you have any questions, let me know. Goodbye.